We have posted several videos where the party president of UPC, Uganda People's Congress, Jimmy James Michael Akena, made a declaration that he is going to contest in 2026 presidential election. But there have been several views, several concerns, and some people are saying that he is not eligible to contest.
And it is up to us to make the difference. I am confident we can make that difference. But as for Akena, I am going to make that difference. What about the tika? My coming to Kabramaida today is to test the ground and also to make my intentions very clear. I want to stand for president.
Our reporter, Denish Ongora, had an interview with Otto Amiza, the Secretary General of the faction opposed to Akena's leadership. He is also the former Member of Parliament of Oyam South constituency, Hisaisa civil activist, a prominent UPC figure and supporter, and most importantly, he was among those who sued Akena and won the case against him, making the court to declare in October 2023 that Jimmy Akena Obote is not UPC president.
He was asked, is Akena legible to be elected in the party to carry UPC flag to contest for president of Uganda in 2026? And this is what he had to say.
But I can assure you, the 10 years which he has been there masquerading as president, he has not been UPC president. The court has made its pronouncement up to Supreme Court. We told people in Lao here, people ignored us and so on. But the beauty with it now, and they should now praise some of us, the beauty with it now is that now that Akena wants to stand, and now that I think he should stand, okay, that court ruling is already taken over by events, okay, the court still says he's not UPC president, so it means he can now use that case to stand for presidency, because we have never recognized him. The court has never recognized him, so he can now freshly claim the leadership of UPC. And he can still run for more 2 terms. So I think our case has exonerated him. In fact, those of UPC who didn't know because of ignorance and petty beliefs, he now should come and praise us because what we have done has saved their president. Is now helping him to become a president. And I'm telling you that now, as a person, I will be in support of his candidature, because I know that will be in accordance to the law. I am only praying that he will emerge using the normal processes of the party. He will go through the primaries, then he will win, then he become presidential candidate. Because when you're president of the party, you are by law of UPC required to stand for presidency of Uganda. So I now hope that he is no longer going to be president of UPC by cloud, but he's now going to be the true UPC president, and then he will stand as the flag bearer of UPC for president of Uganda. And I think ordinarily, he has been mobilizing Langi to support his candidature and presidency. I think Langi should give him the vote. Should give him the vote to express themselves, to tell people of Uganda that we also have a person who can stand, because you know Lao has not been standing for presidency. So they should vote. But their voting also is not going to determine the presidency of Uganda. That one I should make it clear. It's just going to be an expression of rights of voting, which is okay. Just like they have been doing it for Museveni, they have done it for Jagolanyi, they can do it for Akena to be president of UPC, to stand, because it will make them happy, and also it will satisfy the interests of a group of people, that the UPC also has somebody for president. That's okay. Actually, for me, I am now saying that there is no more excuse in this coming election. Jim Akena is going to stand for president. And I'm calling upon Langi to support his candidate. And I'm saying they should vote for him. But I'm also saying that we should not be blindfolded. What defines one to be president of Uganda are quite many, and they are very serious. They are not a matter of joking around here or talking around bars, shopping malls, and walkways. It is about the issue of Uganda. It's a serious matter. Now should be prepared to confront that serious matter. It's not a joke. But this time, there is nothing that stops him.
Are you, because you have been the Secretary General of another faction of UPC, now are you trying to say that that faction is already dissolved? You are now one?
No, there is nothing like dissolving. There is nothing like 2 or 3 parties. UPC has been one. The contest which has been there on the issue of the law, okay? The contest has been, are you the president? Are you following the right procedures of the law? In my view, in this coming election, you cannot have factions. For what? Because the court issue is done. Now we are going for a new phase. Maybe the contest would be only how we are coming up with a roadmap. Because I've seen other parties have come up with roadmap. You have seen NRM have come with roadmap. FDC has come with a roadmap. Nope, I think is about to come. UPC should not come with their roadmap in August. Roadmap should come now. So maybe that is a question where we should discuss in the party over the issue of roadmap. But in terms of leadership, we are coming with a new leadership. All members of the party are going to participate and bring a new leadership.
According to the court ruling, is not the president even now who is going to organize this roadmap and the election?
No, I think that one, the membership of the party and the relevant organs can decide. Because UPC has national council structures, as the delegates conference structures. They can sit and discuss and agree, first on the roadmap, secondly on how the election should be conducted. Because election is also not conducted by the president, it is conducted by the electoral commission of the party. So the delegates conference, the national council of the party, can decide on the process, how do you get to the new leadership.
The people of Lao and the members of UPC know you as a person who is very determined and who is very passionate about UPC party. Are you going to assure them that this party is going to unite this time around in this coming election and work together?
My view is that, and actually my focus is about UPC coming out with a clear policy, clear agenda for Uganda and presenting it to the people. The unity of UPC depends on how members are working, whether they are following the law or they are just doing anything for the sake of playing games around. As far as I'm concerned, I am an individual member. I have my right alone. I will always follow my conscience and follow the law. So whatever is done rightly, I will work with anybody who is doing things rightly. Whoever is not doing it rightly should be sure that I cannot work with such a person. I will only follow things which are done rightly and in accordance to the...
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.